Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start right now, power off the laptop and remove the battery if you can, then unplug everything. Set the laptop on a flat, stable surface so airflow is predictable and ground yourself to avoid static shocks. Take the compressed air can, keep it upright, and apply short 1-2 second bursts from about 6-8 inches away. This dislodges loose dust without spinning fans too fast. Once done with one vent, move systematically to the next. Do not spray continuously, let the can cool between bursts. Once the exterior vents are clearer, open the service panel if you're comfortable and the warranty permits. Keep screws in order so reassembly is simple. Use a soft brush to gently coax dust from heatsink fins and fan blades, then use targeted air bursts to push debris out. Aim along the airflow path. Make sure to hold fan blades stationary with a plastic tool or toothpick to prevent overspinning. Tilting the laptop helps gravity carry loose dust away, and avoid touching circuit boards with metal. Reassemble carefully, returning screws to their marked positions, then reinstall the battery and plug in power. Power on and listen. Fans should be quieter and ramps smoother. If noise or overheating continues, repeat the cleaning or consider reapplying thermal paste and seeking professional service. If the laptop does not boot after reassembly, immediately remove AC and battery, hold power for 15-30 seconds to drain residual charge. Then try again. This power reset often resolves boot issues caused by connection.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.